That's cool. That rock-looking thing.
Yeah, it's water and stuff. They're like looking ahead of us.
Here's a cave down
Oh, yes. Guys, we hit the jackpot.
Big ass cave.
Yeah. We hit the jackpot.
How would you get down there?
Let's walk across it.
Walk across that thing?
Yeah.
And down
And hope to God not to freaking fall in the...
God, Tanya. Then do you walk nice? Walk there, walk there. I like the
I fall more than anything.
Huh?
There's the water.
I fall more than anything.
I hear water.
Yeah, they can have key work. I am not getting her down
Here. Somebody hold that. I definitely don't want to lose it in here.
I know, because you won't find it.
Yeah. It'll get freaking wet, and then it'll be soaked, and then I'm done. It's done. Looky here, guys. More mud, that's great. Just what I need, guys, more mud. Oh, wow. Look, you see the water dripping. Now this is cool.
Yeah.
These rocks are nice and pretty. Oh, okay. Now I gotta try not to make my boots any more blacker than what they already are. Yeah, because there ain't much mud right here.
There ain't barely any mud in there.
Look, everybody, guys, there's Misty. Part of my YouTube team.
Might as well be, I guess.
Because, you know, Bobby and, the other one didn't want to come, so.
Imagine that.
Oh, well. Our treasure.
Well, we can cut them on 20 if they good.
Yeah. You good, Dad?
Yeah, I'm good.
Well, we got this old guy over here.
Hey now.
Back here. No,
I
talking
can
about
still
him.
get around there.
Almost fell. Luckily, there ain't no mud here if I fall.
Hear that, guys. He can get around.
I can do a lot of things I ain't gonna mention.
That's what we don't want to know.
Okay, good. I'm gonna go tell you anyway.
There's mine.
I'm gonna record that tomorrow.
Yep.
Because I said, I really ain't gonna tell you anyway.
Which way? This way, straight?
Either way.
You know,
We don't care.
you never get lost in Lake Oakland over there.
Where did it lead us?
It's
there?
all right, Dad. This is a all-age YouTube channel, so. Oh, look, guys.
Tanya.
The way that water washes out. What it is.
We just passed it.
It wasn't that important anyway. So
No.
you go ahead and walk ahead.
Hit you. Hit you with.
This is my YouTube team for the day. I got one up there. Because, the boys were lazy. They didn't want to get up. Love you guys.
Out of the house.
I will give a shout out to Bobby Lindsay's channel and SS420. Because they're not here. Because they're lazy. Anyways. I did too. I heard a birdie. Ew, that water is disgusting.
Put it down in the water. Like a buoy or something.
That's what it looks
I think
like.
it is.
I think it is.
That's a buoy.
No. That's a piece of iron underneath it. Bring a cap thing on top of it.
Hold it there from floating away.
Those shoes looks like it's too big on you.
That's for some lonely
Who?
woman out there.
Your dad.
That's what that's for.
Boots looks like it's too big on him.
Yeah, it's got to tie all that. Boy, that's 4 out there.
What?
Or some lonely woman out here.
Oh,
It's lonely.
that's messed up.
Hope you're not recording that.
He is, she is.
He
That's
Oh,
not nothing
yes.
offensive, guys. He's just being typical dad with the jokes. Oh, look at that water. Ew.
Yeah, that's gross water.
Huh?
You go wash your hands in it.
You just broke a steak. Oh.
hit that one. Yep, hit that tree over there.
How long do you walk?
That's awful.
Obviously not.
I trip a lot.
Obviously. You walking like you're drunk.
This would be a good place for a horror movie.
It would, wouldn't it?
It really would.
Yeah, that's the lake up there. I think on the back side of the lake.
Yeah, I don't think we want to go all the way up
No, I
there.
don't think so
And
either.
then back.
Yeah.
They roll out.
Turn
I
around.
don't either.
So take you back where the campground stuff is.
Oh yeah, we don't want to go over. The car's way over
You
here.
have to go way back around on the other road there and do that. Yeah. I like walking.
We don't want to leave Tampa waiting for too long.
20 mile an hour. Hot.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. My boobies hit this.
What?
If my boob hit this.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm about right. Yeah, my boobies hit this.
Shut up.
My feet are gonna smell like mud and crap.
Well, you can take your shoes off when we get to my house.
I'm gonna probably have to
Yeah.
because legit, look,
I know.
that's from stepping in mud.
Just put back behind on the exhaust pipe and then just blow it off.
Oh yeah, that's funny.
Back there and just blow the dust off of it.
Oh yeah.
I mean, like, clean some light.
I fear these will never be the same color ever again.
Knock the dust off of it.
Probably not.
Put on my exhaust.
Well, you can wear them when we come back. 'Cause, you know, the 20th, they want to come here. I guess.
It's gonna rain and snow.
Blame my husband and your husband, not me.
The 20th?
Yeah, it's supposed to rain and snow the 20th.
It's supposed to. That's what they say. It's supposed
That's what they say, but you don't go by that.
We'll see when it comes, I guess. Hopefully it's as nice as it is today.
to come tomorrow and it's supposed to rain tomorrow.
Because we're going multiple places the 20th if we can.
We heard raining.
Huh?
We heard raining.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You walk much?
No. I almost tripped.
Guys, Misty about ran right into me.
I did
Oh, yeah, that's cute.
to Mary.
No pine tree.
Oh, look, it's a cute little thing. I almost don't want to leave it out here, but you know, it's got to grow in and laugh at these trees.
Yeah, because if you try to plant now, they die.
Yeah, we don't want to kill no pine trees or any kind of tree. I'm surprised to see there ain't no vandalization out here.
I know.
What is there any deer out here?
Right? Yeah, guys, when you go to places like this, don't vandalize. That's not right. That's very disrespectful for other YouTubers and everyone associated with the place you're going to. So don't do it.
Sorry, Ron, I'm getting in front of you.
That's all right.
So I don't fall.
We'll go down this way, or
Yeah, you're old.
hopefully they flooded out there. I don't think it will be though, because the water's down pretty low.
Well, if I don't run into Tamara like I tried earlier.
Yeah, guys, she's trying to run into me. She's important too. She keeps me in line.
Me?
Thought Misty, I'd already killed the boys.
We both would. What are you talking about?
We keep each other in line. Let's just say that.
I wanted to kill Bobby today. What are you talking about?
This one is our special guest. Because you know he deserves it.
You sure you gonna walk through there?
No, I don't.
No,
Guys,
I
we don't want to walk through there. I don't want to make my boots any more muddy than what they already are.
What will happen?
And then you have them too.
Yeah, my boy, too late for them.
Ew, look at them thorns.
And we would get it too, Tanya. Our shoes would if we walked it that much.
Oh yeah, they look like mine.
Well, you're supposed to take your coat down for a lady across a mud puddle or whatever. No, I ain't got coat on, so you got to sit all luck. I ain't no coat on.
I ain't got crap
coat on
either.
already.
And this is Becky's coat, and I don't want it either.
Yeah.
And hear her bitch. I don't want to hear her bitch over her
I'll
coat.
be in welcome. You got to be in the car.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know, right? Tamara would, I would, and Tanya would.
Remember, I'll call him.
Yeah. If I want my phone to call you, Tamara.
Oh crap, guys.
Or Bobby would bitch at you.
Yeah.
Call him bitch. One or the other.
Nah, Bobby would laugh about it.
Sure, yeah, I know, right?
Bobby would think it's funny.
Bloody, dirty.
That's some funny shit.
I want to get these hands dirty.
I know, she get
I was watching a video today on YouTube
Yeah,
about this. It's a comedian guy.
yeah,
University talking about his grandma and grandpa.
yeah.
He had a walker. What do you call it? Walker.
Yeah.
He called it Pushy.
Pushy?
Yeah. It could have been like a dirty video, but it wasn't. It's like a.
Oh,
Oh,
Sit
okay.
down. My grandma sat down bent her. I can sit down and bent her Pushy. Now he sits over all the time.
oh yeah.
Oh,
She looks down, it's always there.
That's
Pushy's
funny.
always there. And it squeaks, then you got oil my wheels and foggy mouth on the back of it.
That's funny.
Yeah, it's not called a walker, it's called a Pushy.
A pushy?
P-U-S-H-Y.
What in the world?
On there it said her grandson didn't know what it was going to son. I said, can you explain what that is? Spell it out. She said, yeah, P-U-S-H-Y. Oh, Pushy.
I was like, what?
Where'd I find that?
yeah, they
Grandma in her Pushy.
I gotta go bathroom when we get back up here.
So do I.
Huh?
You sure?
You sure?
That man might be up on top of that first.
Ugh.
Done after.
There's Timp, everybody. You see him?
You might be a stand actor.
Ew.
Well, that'd be weird. Pretty freaky, wouldn't
Yeah.
it?
Stalker alert. Stalker alert!
Yeah.
Probably not.
There's Timp.
Yeah, stop thinking of service. I'm gonna see that video. That's funny as hell.
There's my Champers. I'm not going that way. I'm going that way. Because you know everybody's got to do their business.
You have to ask Mama if she needs a Pushy.
A pushy?
Not a walker, it's called a Pushy.
Man, what do you need, pushy? Champ, champ, champ. Yeah. I gotta go bathroom. Yeah. I'd be just my luck. Oh, yeah.
Hurry up, Tamara. I meant, yeah. Whatever your name is.
It's alright. I gotta freaking trim it anyways. I gotta go to the bathroom, everybody. It does not have a regular toilet in here. Well, I'm leaving that bathroom open.
I don't care.
I'm not letting nobody... Huh?
Has it got toilet paper?
Yes. But, you know, a possible option where there's, some guy could, like, reach up and grab me.
Yeah.
No, thanks.
Me either.
Yeah, it's dark in here, so I'm not shutting the door.
I'm not even. Just wait out here for me, though.
Huh?
Just wait out here for me, though.
I will. You gotta go back bad?
We like Wellston.
Jeez! I could have stopped.
Well, we just stopped, remember?
Alright.
Cheers, thanks.
What? What? There's another cave.
Yeah, across the street probably.
Really? Alright. Well, guys, we're gonna look at one more cage. Or cave. Why did I say cage? There ain't no, I don't think there's any cages out here. Anyways, we're looking at one more cave here. And then we're gonna head out of here because it's getting dark and it's getting kind of chilly, so. And I'm sure if my car was alive, it'd kill me. So, we're going to check out this. What in the world? We're going to check this cave out real quick, and then if we can, I don't know, I'm not sure if we're able to or not. I might have to just zoom in, but we'll check it out here in a minute, and then we'll head home. Ready, woman?
Yeah, I pull my pants off. Ow! If I don't.
Okay. Yeah. Let's see here. I'm going up this way and walking back down the same way we came.
Yeah, me too.
Again, there's the furnace, you know, like I said.
Don't have regular toilet in there, does it?
The thing behind it was the guard tower where the guy fell inside of there and burnt alive. Awesome history, let me tell you. I'm not going to get the location of the place though because, you know, privacy rights. Gotta respect all my YouTubers out there and everybody else that was involved in this place.
Look like your dad's tired.
It looked like he was humping the car.
I know, right?
Look, he said, what? Huh? Where's that, right there? We ain't gonna be able to go over there though, I don't think.
Yeah, we can on the other side of the bridge.
There's a pathway over there to... Alright. So I don't want to step in any more mud unless I absolutely have to. Alright.
Was you humping the car, Ron?
It looked like you were... Told you.
It looked like you were. It did look like it was, though. Come clear back there.
I don't think you want to jump across that water.
No.
It's not cold. You always put muddy over there.
You know we're short, right, Ron?
I am not going to be able to make it up this.
I'm not either.
I don't need to go on there.
Huh?
Well, you have to give her a hand.
Huh?
You give her a hand. You get it by heel.
Can you get it?
Can you get it?
Yeah, I told you everybody's just standing there and look at her. Like,
Oh, I didn't know what you were talking about. What are you talking about?
Well, hell, I tried.
I was trying to get up myself.
And I'm short.
She's short. She needs help.
I'm shorter than her. There is no way.
Ron, she needs help. Take her
Here, let me see this.
Lord.
all right,
There is
it's your
no
hand.
way.
I got you. Ain't gonna let you pull back.
None of us
Just
will.
go. There you
Next
go.
time we'll go around the actual
Ow.
guardrail.
Yeah, we'll just stand there and wait for tomorrow to come pick us up.
Yeah, that works too. I'll do that.
That hurt my foot.
I feel like it was a stinging. Yeah, I hate that.
Kind of.
I'm only 4'10".
Yeah.
Ooh, man, look at that water.
You're 4'10".
Ew, that's disgusting. Ew.
You know that, Ron? She's 4'10". Her height is. Yeah, she wears his shoes. I wish I would.
We're like 5.
Don't
Who?
you have size 5?
All right.
Ron,
Oh, I'm not half.
Ron,
Oh, yeah, it'll be a lot easier down that side of where. You get the wood in the
follow
butt.
us, Tanya.
Ow. As if I don't break my freaking phone first.
I doubt she would crawl. There's steps right here.
That's probably up top to it though.
Yeah, it's got trail there. Can you go down it? Might walk down the tree.
There's another cave.
Yeah, at least it's not muddy back here.
Right.
Maybe
See.
it's sinking in a little.
Let's see if it blocks or anything, it keeps them sinking. What do you see, Claire?
There ain't really much on anything under there, but
I'd say it probably is more in there, just not
Yeah.
covered up.
right.
It looks muddy.
As far as I can see, anyways, I couldn't see a whole lot of anything. So,
Yeah, I see, ain't much in there. It's all caved in.
right.
Water right there.
I did get what I could of it. There's the furnace, everybody. Furnace, yay!
You might have to come pick us up.
There's Champ over there and Tanya.
You know this, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all. You should have been washed all under there.
Yeah.
Right on.
Well, see, I didn't even have mine on. I didn't actually think I was gonna need it to. It got pretty dark pretty fast though too, so
Yeah.
I definitely want to be out of Zaleski by night break or nightfall.
Tanya, hold on so Ron can help you.
I'm gonna bring the car towards you guys anyways.
Huh?
So I'm gonna bring the car to you
She's
guys.
gonna
Anyways.
bring the car to us anyways. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
She'll come and get us. So.
All right, guys, I'm gonna end it right here. I did get update on the slave house. We can't go there no more because it does have no trespassing signs. So
There's you walking there.
that's out of it. You can see Dad's going up there. I'm not sure what's up there, but I'm gonna pick these guys up.